The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good day, everyone, and welcome to Honor Markets webinar, Wednesday live trading. Today it's 18th of April 2018. My name is Nenad, and as always, I'm here with you each Monday, each Wednesday. We have these live trading webinars. So let's see what we have for today. I hope that the market will provide us with tips, and don't worry, this webinar is recorded and it will be uploaded. So the market has started to move, and I hope that you took some entries. I personally have been trading euro dollar, and I'm still in euro dollar, and there are still a few more pairs to watch for. So I will, of course, tell you what to pay attention to and which pairs to monitor. So we also might have a short entry on dollar CAD during this webinar. So I'm currently monitoring the price, although we have important news, but let's talk about it just a little bit later. So before we begin, always standard risk disclaimer explaining that CFD and Forex trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits, so those are not suitable for everyone. So please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved. So this presentation and video is for information and educational purposes only, and online education materials are available by Markets is not for a global audience. So have in mind that this video is not part of the .co.uk website, but the globallyused.com website. Why do we trade with Iron Markets UK Ltd? Excellent index offerings, order sizes, order execution, and of course, negative balance protection policy and volatility protection settings. Of course, you always have great leverage options, and don't forget to download the MetaTrader Supreme Edition so you can boost your MT4 and MT5. Rules and setups for trading. We use POC zones, master candle setups, wool waves, and price action. Everything you see here is my personal opinion and trades. We do market on pending orders and we don't scalp. Also, we do positional or breakout trading. If we don't see a setup, we don't trade. That is why we use pending orders. Once you're in trade, you need to do your own trade management. Recommended risk is 0.5 to 1% per trade, but do not exceed 2%. And of course, you want to trade like professionals. Keep in mind that losing is a part of the business, so keep your risk under control, and session recaps are valid from Monday to Wednesday. Pending orders are valid from Wednesday to Friday. So Friday is the day to take profit, so use profit stops. Okay, and follow me on Tarantula FX. So today, again, I don't know when this setup will happen, but if it happens until Friday morning, I will be ready to sell it. So I am already long on euro dollar and I still have long positions, but we might sell if the price gets to 24.90. For me, this is a good level to sell because it still hasn't been tested yet, and stop loss is also close. So basically, we can have a good trading with counter trend. Of course, if we see this level, then be ready to sell. So if you want to join, well, maybe you can make a pending order now. Also, I want to sell, this is typo, guys. So we want to sell dollar CAD. I'm waiting for it, and maybe we will see, but maybe we will also have market order if it happens. But at this point, my position is to sell should the price get into this level. Okay, so let me show you the screen. Give me a few seconds. Okay, so just a few seconds to switch the screens, and we could then, okay, so this is it. Okay, dollar CAD and euro dollar. So you can see euro dollar, I'm already long and I hold this position and I already closed some and then I re-entered. Usually how I trade with my method is I can make multiple orders on the same pair if I see that the trend is indeed intact. And yesterday I have traded I have traded both euro dollar, so traded euro dollar to the upside, then closed the euro dollar. Then when euro dollar dropped, I made a long again. So basically, I'm just doing an extension of yesterday trading because I have been long on dips for the euro dollar. And you can see that the price is really going up. It's still above weekly H3. It gives me the cue that the price wants to be bullish. So now for a further continuation, it needs to break this high here. That is 40.24.13. If it breaks this high, then there is a chance that the price will indeed get to these levels. However, monthly time frame is here, so we are currently let's say 12 more days, right, till month's end. So basically, if the pair is bullish, then there is a chance that it will hit monthly. This HTF is monthly time frame, so it is the chance that this monthly time frame will be hit 24.94. So that is where I'm waiting for euro dollar, and of course you really need to be well quick on fingers or make a pending order, whatever, if the price gets there. As I see it, it is bullish. We have cup with handle here, but it needs to make a breakout above this level here, and then it needs to hit first 24.65. If it wants to go up, then it will hit this level, and then we can short it. For dollar CAD, Daniel is saying we have the news. Yes, I know about the news. You're correct. So we will have the news for the dollar CAD. But then again, let's see the dollar CAD. There is a chance that the price could actually hit our level, and we could maybe sell it. So just give me a few seconds here. Okay, and so see the price is still above weekly L3, but is below weekly H3. So what I think is if the price gets a little bit higher here, maybe we can sell it. Of course, there is important news, but the price is bearish. So what I will do is actually I will be monitoring the price. If it starts to reject this level, then I might sell it. So for me, dollar can still sell even if the news is bullish, then we need to sell it higher because the trend is still intact. So I will just add few more levels here. Okay, just few seconds, and now you see this is now we see more levels. So daily H5 is 2603, so this is the top daily level. But here we have the last swing, the previous swing. So if you pull Fibonacci, okay, from this spot to this spot, you can see, I will add later, but you can see this is 78.88.6 Fibonacci. So let me just add it quickly here. Now again, for you a quick tutorial. If you forgot how to add custom levels, you just need to do it as I do here. So go to add 0768 is actually 78.6 and 0886 is 886 is 88.6. So you see here, if the price gets there, it will still be like selling on a good rally, 78.6, 88.6. But please, guys, if you want to sell this, yeah, it's a rate decision, I know. So you need to be careful. That is why you need to follow me on this, guys. Okay, just follow me what I'm saying. If you see that the price is breaking this level up like a bread through butter, okay, then you definitely need to be very, very careful, guys. Then you don't need to short it there, but actually you need to zoom into 4-hour time frame and find a suitable retracement there. If the price breaks this level here, then you need to pull Fibonacci from this spot and this spot. And you see here, if the price gets higher, the first zone to watch for then is 26.88 to 27. If the price is still going higher, I think this is good level to sell, 27.64. So guys, mark these levels on your chart. So if nothing happens and the price starts to drop, okay, then we will probably see a retracement. That retracement can lead to 26.15. So if the price starts to drop, then on the next retracement, if it gets to 26.15, there could be a sell trade. If the price goes directly up without any retracement, without any drop, then watch for 26.88 and of course this level, 27.64. At also guys, 26.88 to 27.15. So this zone here, if the price instantly goes up after the rate decision. So you really need to be careful and to monitor how the price will do. Okay? That is very important. So watch for either down move and then sell on rally, or if it goes up, then try to sell it there. Goulet and Robert, I still think that dollar CAD will be probably sold on rallies because we have a strong trend. Although you see the price now is trying to go above this monthly L5. So that is why I'm counting on some retracement to sell it further. It's too much now to the downside. Monthly L5, this is strong level. So I really think that dollar CAD needs a retracement, and then on a retracement you can sell it on rally. Now regarding GBP dollar, the price is still, guys, in uptrend. Unfortunately, I was trying to go long on GBP dollar, but I missed this trade completely because I was outside of my office, so I couldn't have monitored my charts. On 1 hour time frame, we had a sell, and that sell was initiated today with the bad CPI numbers. But if you watch 4 hour time frame, this would have been a good long. 41.95, 41.20, even this one, weekly L3, 41.77. Straight from weekly L3, now the price is going up. So yeah, I mean, unfortunately I missed this one. As I said, I have euro dollar longs, and if you followed my analysis, then you know that I've been long on euro dollar dips multiple times. So yeah, I mean, this would have been a good sell, a good buy trade. Now the price is going up. Maybe here 42.96 could be again a nice sell because it's weekly H3, and if the price wants to drop again, then this is a sell here. So mark it on your chart, and we might have a sell from 42.96.97. Just give me a few more minutes, and then guys, you can actually ask me regarding different pairs. So watch for this level if the price goes up. And for euro dollar, I'm long and I want to hold this long, let's say close to 24.40.50, and then I will see if the price goes above, then I will sell it on 20 a little bit later on 29.40. Sorry, 24.90 here, around this level. Regarding your question, Ty, this is EMA 89, exponential moving average 89. Now let's see your questions, guys. So we have two setups again. If the price is going down and then it retraces, this is the level to sell. But of course, watch also other levels too. I will show them. For euro dollar, I'm long here, and I think that dips towards 22.90 can be bought into. And the price is probably going to hit this level if it wants to go up. On the dollar CAD, if the price drops, then retraces 26.15. But also pay attention if the price goes much higher than 26.88 and 27, let's say 27.50 to 64. Also mark this level, 27.17, because I think that this is also good short scalp, 27.17. Watch for that. Now your questions. Pound yen. Daniel is asking where we could actually sell pound yen. Let's see. Again, this is a buy, but watch here. Now you see the price is trying to go above the level. If it starts to reject, then maybe you can sell it here. But if it goes up, then, well, I would say, again, either weekly H3 or if it goes here, weekly H4. Because this was definitely the level to sell into, and you see this is the level to go long. Price is respecting these weekly levels, so watch for this. Long probably from here, sell from here, but watch for possible sell. 154.66, also possible sell. Next question, Euro Yen. Okay, we'll take a look now. Uptrend on Euro Yen, positive correlation to Euro Dollar because of the Euro base currency. So definitely this is long on dip. So this would have been your trade, your potential trade. And definitely if you want to see a continuation, the price needs to break above this level towards weekly H4. 4-hour close above weekly H4 should aim for weekly H5. Now the question, what do you think about DAX 30? Will it reach 12,700 this week? Yeah, if you followed my analysis on DAX 30 yesterday on Admiral Markets website, I said go long on dips, and that was correct call because obviously DAX 30 is going up. Now will it reach 12,700? Only if it closes up with a 4-hour candle above this weekly H4, 12,637. Then it will probably go up, trying to reach even higher levels than 12,700, 735, and so on. Marco is asking, Nenad, are all these Camarilla pivot points? Yes, Camarilla pivot points. I don't need these bands. I will remove them. Yeah, this is what I trade and how I base my analysis on and trading on. So indeed, this is everything is my own views and my own market analysis and trading. Yes, indeed, all Camarilla pivot points. These are monthly pivot points on 4-hour views weekly and monthly, on 1-hour views daily and weekly, and so on. You can send me an email and I can get you a free Camarilla indicator, or you can actually also download Camarilla directly from Empty Quotes. If you type Camarilla here, it's slightly different to mine, but it works, so you can also download it here on the MT5. If you have any problems, just email me, of course. Gel is asking for all levels we should buy. No, of course, this is just for making decisions. Camarilla is not trading system. Camarilla is indicator. And you base your trading decision on market analysis with the indicator or with your own views. I use Camarillas exclusively. Arimas is asking, what about the Dow Jones? This is Dow Jones following the correlation, positive correlation matrix. So correlation between DAX and Dow is positive indeed. So this is bullish. If the price dips here, you can buy the dip. You don't need to send me an email, so please send me an email request. Okay, my email is tarantulafx@gmail.com. So you need to send me your email request. Okay? Only on my email, only send the email request. Do not send me your emails, guys. I'm very, very busy and I cannot reply to every single email, but I usually reply to every email during next couple of days. So you see, this is Dow Jones, this is DAX. Do you see similarities, guys? All the equities, most of them are positively correlated. So there is a positive correlation between DAX and Dow. And here you see DAX is going up and also Dow. So it's bottom dip. If the price dips here, 24,439, I think this could be also a buy trade. Gel, just send me your email. Just send me an email. Send me email request with questions, and I will try to answer them. If you have any other questions, guys, please ask. So my primary idea is to make one more trade today, dollar CAD, as I'm in euro dollar trade, and I still want to see dollar CAD or something happening to this pair, because we could see a nice possible sell trade if the price goes up. Okay, questions, thoughts on Australian dollar and dollar yen. This is the Australian dollar, and you can see it's bought on dips again, 4-hour time frame. Close above this candle, close above this trend line, and the price will proceed further up, in my opinion. This is bullish pattern. Watch this. So close above, price is going up. Send me an email request for the indicators. Okay. Okay. Next question. Euro yen and Euro GBP. Euro GBP, you see the price is going up. Now also pound is going up, but I think if the price closes above weekly H4 on 4-hour time frame, it will go more to the upside. So either this will be a drop now, but if the price closes above this level, it should go up. Yes, dollar CAD is still dropping, you see. So yeah, it's good, because then we will have another chance to sell it higher. So above this level, I would sell it here. Euro yen. Unfortunately, Euro yen I traded yesterday and I lost a trade on Euro yen, but it was a good setup. My stop loss was hit, and then the price proceeded to the upside. And the only reason why Euro yen dropped was some news out of the blue that actually kicked euro yen down, but you see how good it was to trade because it was bought on dips as I presumed. This is still a range here. Okay, still a range here, and you see it can be bought on the dip. Do you have any other questions, guys? If you have, just ask. Yesterday I traded this one here and it hit my stop loss and then it went up. Dollar yen, okay. Yeah, this is also, let's say, a little bit tricky. 4-hour time frame is bullish, so I would go long on the dip. Seems that euro dollar and dollar yen correlation now is not that big. It's negative, but not that high. But I don't know, Kalian. I would say this could be head and shoulders. For me, this could be a further sell, honestly. Watch this. Left head, right shoulder. So I wouldn't go long, although it could go up regarding 4-hour time frame, but still I wouldn't go long. Now, I don't know. This looks like head and shoulders to me. And this head and shoulders looks really, really big. So I would be very, very careful with longs. Of course, it could go up. As I say, due to correlation, it could go up. But then again, I would wait a little bit more dip and then. Especially because we have strong news later, guys. Pay attention to calendar. Good is asking, I was wondering what kept gold up yesterday. Well, maybe, I don't know. Market is usually long on gold when US is preparing some interventions, strikes. If you follow the pattern, gold went up just few days before it was announced that Syria will be bombed. So basically, gold is like, it's always going up before US starts to, before US interventions on a global scale. So before Syria bombing, we saw gold going up. Also, it could be like due to yuan, indeed, but I would stick now also with fundamentals, good, because you see, 1 hour bottom dips, 4-hour, watch this, still upward pattern. You have multiple trend lines, and definitely there is now a positive flow sentiment on gold. So I think also it is bought on this, and it is following basically euro dollar. Euro dollar up, and you will see gold going up too. And now you see how actually how it is rejecting from daily L4 weekly Camarilla. It's going down. This, yeah, but be careful. I will still go short, but a little bit higher. Pay attention to that, guys. Let's see if you have any other questions. Let's see. I'm keeping an eye on. Aha. Okay, Dixon dollar yen for dollar strength. DXY. Yeah. Yes. You can do it also like that. Dollar yen for me is a great gauge for dollar strength indeed, because it has dollar and it has yen, so it's risk on, risk off indeed. CAD yen. Okay. Let's see CAD yen. Again, later there will be some CAD news, so pay attention to news. Like this. This is mostly ranging now. It looks like the dips are being bought into, but it is still ranging, you see? Not a big price movement on this, really. So the price is still ranging. I don't have any clear opinion on this. Regarding CAD, it could go up, but pay attention to news just a little bit later. It is important to pay attention to news. Okay, guys, so once more, look for this level and levels that I mentioned during this webinar also. Okay, and of course, euro dollar, this could be a good sell. I think we covered most of it. So please pay attention to CAD news just a little bit later. Check your calendar always. And let's see if we will have other trading opportunities. I particularly don't like to trade when we have very strong news. Of course, if I'm in a trade like euro dollar, that is, of course, I still need to keep it. But do not, guys, trade a lot if you see that the price is ready for some news. So there will be news very soon, and this is the news you should be paying attention to. CAD, monetary policy, overnight trade, and of course crude oil. Everything is connected to CAD. And the last question, guys, Guled is saying, thanks, Nenad. See you on Monday. Catch you on Twitter. Sure. And the last question is the Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin. As I presume, guys, I already told you that this is sell on rallies if you followed my last updates. And I was again right about Bitcoin. Everyone was laughing at me when I was saying that this is a big bubble, guys. And everyone was laughing at me. I even had some disputes on Twitter from so-called traders. I don't know how to call them. They were actually buying the Bitcoin here, and I said, guys, do not do that because it's a bubble. It's just a matter of time when it will burst. And what happened? They lost heaps of money because they didn't listen to me. I mean, you don't need to have a degree of mastery in economy to actually know that this was a bubble. And I mean, it's just the basics of economics, guys. I mean, I know that most of you are not economists, nor you have maybe a degree in economics, but that is what I have, and that is why I always give you the best possible trading solutions, options, and fundamental views. And again, on Bitcoin, I think it's still sell on rallies. As long as it is capped here, you see technicals are clear. If it breaks this double bottom here, it will go down. Now we see head and shoulders, and this is a rooftop on 4-hour time frame. So unless it breaks this trend line here and closes above weekly H3, this is sell on rallies. Here, even here, it will be sold. So only if it closes with a 4-hour time frame candle above this level, 84.73, let's call it 84.74, then it will go up. Until then, sell on rallies. Very clear. I mean, you see, weekly L3, weekly H3. It's ranging now with head and shoulders here. So thank you guys for listening. Be careful once more. If this happens until Friday, and even if it happens on Friday, I will sell it. Watch for 26.15, but not just 26.15. Also watch for, of course, 20. If it goes up, 26.88 and 26.50 to 64. 27.17, guys. Also mark these levels. I'm paying attention to dollar CAD. Thank you, guys. Talk to you soon. And as always, cheers and trade safe.